The World Event Day, whatever you call it. They're using here. June 25th,
okay.
26th.
Field day, yeah.
Field day.
Hi, I'm Michael, KB9VBR for Ham Radio Outdoors. Thanks for joining me. And today, I am standing on land that has not been touched for more than 13,000 years. We're at the Santa Fe Prairie State Natural Preserve in Hodgkins, Illinois. And this is what's behind me is what's considered mesic prairie. And there's only a couple undisturbed mesic prairies in the entire state of Illinois, and this is one of them, and it is in the middle of an urban center. We are in Chicago, Illinois, actually Hodgkins, but behind me is a prairie land that was commonly found all over northern Illinois. A mesic prairie here is as the glaciers receded 13,000 years ago, they left sort of a sandy, gravelly kind of soil. And through happenstance, luck, chance, and maybe a little bit of neglect, this area was never developed. So we're seeing prairie lands here that have stood for time and memoriam. And if you stick around towards the end of the video, I'll tell you a little bit more about the history of how that actually happened. But Santa Fe Prairie Preserve State Natural Area is actually, it's a beautiful little park, a little 11 acres in suburban Chicagoland. There's behind me is a Caboose from the Santa Fe Railway that's turned into a visitor center. A lot of people like to come here. It's in the middle of an industrial park of all places. The BNSF Railway has a humongous switchyard just right over off to the side of me. So if you can figure out how to get here amidst the industrial park and the highway and everything else, you're in for a treat. So it's a really nice place to come and visit, and must be. I mean, there's been 94 Parks on the Air activations at this park, and I'm number 95. So glad to be here. So let's get this park on the air.
Yeah.
Airplane.
Holy crap.
Parks on the Air, Parks on the Air, KB9VBR, Kilo Bravo 9er, Victor Bravo Romeo, calling CQ for Parks on the Air.
This is Kilo India 7, Lima Delta Charlie.
Kilo India 7, Lima Delta Charlie, gotcha 5-9 here into Illinois, park number 7839, back to you.
Copy 7839, let me verify your call as Kilo Bravo 9, Victor Bravo Romeo.
QSL, Kilo Bravo 9, Victor Bravo Romeo.
Okay, good, solid copy here, good 57 into Montana.
Roger, the Montana, and thanks a lot for the contact today.
73 is good luck.
73, have a good one. This is KB9VBR, Parks on the Air, QRZ.
Park to park, park to park.
Okay, park to park station.
Roger. This is Kilo Oscar 4, Bravo Golf Juliet. Got you about a 57 into park. Kilo 0522 QSL.
Roger, the Kilo 0522, and you are coming in about a 5-3 here into Illinois, park number 7839. Back to you.
Roger. We appreciate the contact, Michael, and keep up the good work on YouTube there. Really enjoy your videos. 73, sir.
All right, well, thanks. It's greatly appreciated. You have a great activation, too. This is KB9VBR, Parks on the Air, QRZ.
Whiskey 3,
Kilo 5,
Michael Lima Kilo.
Whiskey Mobile.
Okay, there's a Whiskey 5 station, a mobile standby. Was there a station starting in Whiskey?
Whiskey 3, Mike Lima Kilo.
There we go, Whiskey 3, Mike Lima Kilo. You're a 5-5 in Illinois, park number 7839. Back to you.
QSL, Michael, you're about a 3-3 here in Lower Delaware.
Roger, roger, the 3-3 in Delaware. Yeah, you're starting to fade though, but I got you in the log. 7-3, there was the mobile station. Mobile, come now.
Kilo 5, Echo Delta Whiskey, mobile.
Kilo 5, Echo Delta Whiskey. You're a 5-5 in Illinois, park number 7839. Back to you.
QSL, got you 5-5 North Texas, and Michael, enjoy the videos, keep it up, 73.
All right, well, thank you so much for the North Texas. It's greatly appreciated. You have a great day. This is KB9VBR, Parks on the Air, QRZ.
Victor Echo 5, X-ray, uniform.
Okay, there's a station ending in uniform.
Yeah, Victor Echo 5, X-ray, uniform.
Victor Echo 5, X-ray uniform, beautiful 5-9 in Illinois, park number 7839. Back to you.
Yeah, Roger, Mike. I got the 5-9. You're also 5-9er in Trigger Kilo. And I got the park, and thank you very much. 73.
7-3, thanks for the Saskatchewan. You have a great day in 7-3 too. This is KB9VBR, Parks on the Air, QRZ.
November 0, Tango Papa Victor.
November 0, Tango Papa Victor, 5-5 Illinois, park number 7839. Back to you.
QSL on your park number.
Okay, November 0, Tango Papa Victor. Can I come again, please? I had a little bit of QRN there.
November 0, Tango Papa Victor, you are 5757 into Sturgis, South Dakota, Sierra Delta, QSL.
QSL, the Sturgis, South Dakota, and thanks a lot for the contact today. It's frequency in use, KB9VBR. CQ, Parks on the Air, CQ, Parks on the Air. KB9VBR, Kilo Bravo 9er, Victor Bravo Romeo, calling CQ for Parks on the Air.
November 9, Quebec, India Delta.
November 9, Quebec, India Delta, 5-7 Illinois, park number 7839. Back to you.
QSL, you are also 57 here in Southwest Michigan.
Roger, the 5-7 in Southwest Michigan, and thanks a lot for the contact today.
Yeah, 7-3.
7-3.
Kilo Bravo 3, Charlie Mike Tango.
Kilo Bravo 3, Charlie Mike Tango, 5-5 into Illinois, park number 7839. Back to you.
Illinois, I've got you 5 and 7, 5 and 7 into Kilo 1812. Roger, roger.
Roger, roger, the Kilo 1812. Thanks a lot for the contact today.
Roger, roger, roger. I believe I recognize that part number. I think I've activated there. Are you activating from the caboose there today?
Well, we're not physically in the caboose, but the caboose is in, I'm sitting over here by the pavilion, and the caboose is within eyesight of me.
Oh, roger, roger there. Great to hear you out there. That was a fun part to activate. It was fun to chat with the operator of the caboose there and hear some of the other folks that had activated the park before. So hope you enjoy the day out there, Michael. Have fun, and we'll look for you down the log, my friend. 7-3.
All right, 7-3. It's sunny skies and 80 degrees, so I'm loving every minute of it. So thanks a lot for the contact. You have a great activation.
I greatly appreciate it. 7-3, my friend.
7-3. This is KB9VBR, Parks on the Air, QRZ.
Alpha Bravo 8, Lima, Charlie 3, November, Foxtrot, Victor.
Okay, Victor, stand by. Alpha Bravo 8, Lima, 5-9 into Illinois, park number 7839. Back to you.
QSL on the 5-9. Yeah, you're 5-9 into Michigan, Mike, India.
Roger, the 5-9 Michigan. Thanks a lot for the contact today.
73.
73. And then the other station, please come now.
Whiskey 8, Foxtrot, November Golf.
Charlie Whiskey Bravo.
Oh, there we go. That station ending in Bravo, come again.
November 4, Charlie Whiskey Bravo.
November 4, Charlie Whiskey Bravo, 59 into Illinois, park number 7839. Back to you.
59 South Carolina, 73.
We're 73. Thanks for the South Carolina. And then there was a Whiskey 8 station.
Whiskey 8, Foxtrot, November Golf.
Whiskey 8, Fox November Golf, 59 into Illinois, park number 7839. Back to you.
QSL 59 Ohio, Oscar Hotel 73, and thanks for the activation.
73. Thanks for the Ohio. Have a good one. This is KB9VBR, Parks on the Air, QRZ.
Charlie 3, November Foxtrot Victor.
Kilo Charlie 3, November Fox Victor, 53 into Illinois, park number 7839. Back to you.
QSL, I'm picking you out of the noise. I'm going to give you a 43 into Western Pennsylvania, Papa Alpha.
Roger, Roger. I'll take it. 4-3 into Western PA. Thanks a lot for the contact today.
73, keep up the good work with the videos.
Will do. Thanks for watching. You have a good one. This is KB9VBR, Parks on the Air, QRZ.
November 8, Yankee Delta.
November 8, Yankee Delta, solid 59 into Illinois, park number 7839. Back to you.
Thanks for 7839. You're 5757 in Battle Creek, Michigan. Thank you.
Roger, the Battle Creek, Michigan, and thanks a lot for the contact today.
Thank you, 73.
73. This is KB9VBR, Parks on the Air, QRZ. Okay, the Mike India station again. There was a station ending in Mike, India. November 9, Papa Mike India, gotcha, 55 into Illinois, park number 7839. Back to you.
QSL, I have you about a 46 into Kentucky, Kilo Yankee.
Roger, the 56 Kentucky, and thanks a lot for the contact today. 73, have a great day. This is KB9VBR, Parks on the Air, QRZ.
Whiskey Sierra 8, Mike.
Whiskey Sierra 8, Mike, gotcha, 59 into Illinois, park number 7839. Back to you.
Thanks for the new park. You're a 57 here in Dayton, Ohio.
Roger, the 57 Dayton, Ohio, greatly appreciated. This is KB9VBR, Parks on the Air, QRZ.
Kilo 4, Kilo Uniform. QRP.
Okay, I'm going to take the QRP and then we'll do the Kilo 4 station. QRP?
Alpha Charlie 9er, November Whiskey.
Alpha Charlie 9, November Whiskey, 55 into Illinois, park number 7839. Back to you.
QSL, you're 5858 in Roscoe, Illinois, right at the top of the state.
Roger, the Roscoe, Illinois. Yep, we're here at the Santa Fe Prairie on the outskirts of Chicagoland, so pretty much ground wave.
QSL 73, and thanks for the contact.
73, have a great one. Then the Kilo 4 station, come now.
Roger, sir. Kilo 4, November, Kilo Uniform. I've got you about a 44 into Northern Kentucky. That's Kilo Yankee. QSL?
QSL, the 44, Northern Kentucky. Yes, Kilo 4, November Kilo Uniform. You're a 57 here into Illinois, park number 7839. Back to you.
Roger, 57, sir. I appreciate the contact today. I love your videos, and I hope you have a great activation. 73, sir.
73, and thanks for the contact. That's greatly appreciated. This is KB9VBR, Parks on the Air, QRZ. Thanks a lot, everybody. We're going to be QRT. This is KB9VBR QRT. Okay, it was a pretty decent activation here at the Santa Fe Prairie State Natural Preserve. I was a little bit concerned that being in the middle of an industrial park that I would get a lot of noise, and I brought my bandpass filters with me and whatnot. I might have to employ those. I was thinking of wire antennas to kind of cut the noise, but actually the band conditions were relatively good here. I started out on 20 meters, got 13 contacts, ran for about 15-20 minutes, and things just really started to peter out. So 20 wasn't really doing it for me. Tried 17, no luck on 17, bumped back down to 40, and actually 40 was the performer for me today, and we finished up with 42 contacts total, combination of the 20 and the 40 meter band using the end-fed half-wave antenna. A couple neat things about this park. This park is amateur radio friendly. You can hang antennas off the flagpole. That's what I did. On the other side of this caboose here, there's a set of pulleys in the trees for dipole antennas, and also there's a ham stick on the roof. You can operate out of the caboose if you so desire. So very ham-friendly place. They love parks on the air, and they love seeing this park get on the air. And no wonder, because there's been over 94 activations here at this park. I'm going to tell you a little bit about the caboose behind me, because like I said at the beginning, the story of neglect has a lot to do with the preservation of this prairie. So before the turn of the last century, 1900, this land was all purchased by the Santa Fe, Atchison, and Topeka Railway, and they purchased large tracts of land speculatively, and because Chicago was a growing city and they were looking at development. This little parcel, everything else was developed around it. What was originally a 40-acre parcel was never really touched. Over years and years and years of, like I said, of either, just forgetfulness or neglect or whatnot. And by 1997, there was what remained was about 11 acres of truly undeveloped land in the Chicago area. Conservationists petitioned the BNSF Railway to donate the land. They donated it to the state. Out of that, they created the State Natural Preserve, because, like I said, this is a mesic prairie, and there's not many of those left in the state of Illinois. And to sweeten the deal, the railway threw in a dilapidated caboose. So volunteers worked hard to restore the caboose and turn it into their visitor center. It's really a treat to check this. So you'll want to check this place out. And like I said, this is a real fun activation today. A beautiful spring day in late April. So we're glad we were able to spend a weekend in the Chicago area and put this park on the air. So with that, I'm Michael, KB9VBR. Have a great day, and 73. Whiskey 3, Mike Lima Kilo, got you 5-5 into Illinois, park number 7839. Back to you.
QSL, got you about a 4444 here, state Delaware, Michael.
Roger, the 44 Delaware, and thanks a lot for the contact today.